Assalamu alaikum and welcome to all my lovely little angels of playgroup. How are you all? I hope my all shiny stars will be very fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. So my students, are you ready for study? Yes, it's your study time and we are going to start phonics. Are you ready and excited to learn very interesting in phonics? So be ready.
Friends, how are you? I miss you so much. Long time no see. I miss you. Ronnie, say hi to your friends. Hi, hello kids. I miss you. Are you ready to start? Yay, already. Okay, Ronnie. Okay, kids. Let's sing the letter song together. Okay? 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay! I love this song. Are you ready to pick our letter for today? Yay! I'm so excited. Okay, Ronnie. As usual, I want you to say stop. Okay? Say stop when you want. Okay? Okay. Okay, Ronnie. 1, 2, 3, go on. You said stop. Yay. So you want this letter? Yes. Okay. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So Ronnie chose H. Oops. Okay, children. So I'm gonna put H here. Yay! Look, it's our letter for today. It's so cute. Okay, now let's go talk about H. Our letter for today is H. The name of this letter, kids, is H. But kids, do you know what the sound of this letter is? Do you know what the sound of this letter is? The sound of this letter is... Okay? Oh, it's amazing! So, the sound of this letter is... Now kids, let's go trace together. Okay, look here. I'm gonna start from here. Okay, now let's go right. So now we're gonna write together. Let's start. 1, 2, 3. Bismillah. One more time. today we're gonna need on a white paper and a glue, and look here, I cut some hearts. Okay, so we don't need anything else. It's so easy. Let's go do it. So, look, I'm gonna fill with hearts, okay, using a glue, okay? So easy. So I'm gonna open the glue and I'm gonna put some glue on this heart and I'm gonna stick it here. Look, okay. Look! It's amazing! I love this! I have filled with hearts!
Okay, lovely students, our lesson is over. Keep on repeating your lesson. I hope so. You will not forget to repeat. That's all for today. I will be back with new lesson. Till then, take care of yourself. May Allah protect you always.